everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today, I am super excited to be going over with you what is the best life and health insurance pre-licensed education course on the market right now. It's for life, for health, or life and health. No one compares, not even close. So what I'm going to be going over with you is exactly what I have developed over the last 12 months. Me and two other people working full-time. We put in thousands of hours. This has cost me hundreds of thousands of dollars to develop between the time and the research and the software and everything else needed to put into this. And I am so excited to bring it to you all today. So this is state specific too. So I have sections on all the laws in all 50 states where you can learn about exactly what you need to know to pass not only the general content for your state specific exam, but the state specific content as well. I have videos, vocabulary, review notes, slideshow presentations, everything you could possibly need to get this material down. Everything about this course it's a completely different way of learning. All of our vocabulary words have examples with the definitions, hundreds, maybe thousands of vocabulary words with all the definitions and examples needed, which is huge because it paints a picture in your head of how it works. We have more videos than anybody else. We are constantly uploading new videos as well as we find areas that we can make videos on and new video content on. We have thousands of practice questions that are specifically modeled after the exam provider in your state because different states use different providers. So we've gone through and we've matched up the questions to exactly how those providers make their questions so that you can pass your exam on the first try. Ultimately, that's the main goal. And really what happened here is I wanted to create a course to help the people that I hired pass their exam on the first attempt because I needed to have more of the people that I hired pass. I realized I was hiring people and they were buying these courses that were not getting them passing on the first try. And it was really frustrating because I know the content, if it's worded in the right way, it's really simple. And that's really what this is all about. It's about wording the content in the right way so that it's super simple. So what you're going to do when you get access to this course, you're going to be able to get the exam mastery slideshows. So there's at least 11 slideshows, 10 or 11 slideshows in here. This is the life insurance specific slideshows right in here. And there's going to be 10 or 11 slideshows, depending on your state, with that lays out the different content. And there's videos in the slideshows themselves. You can navigate between all the different slides. You can do a search to see which slide has which material that you need to learn on, that you want to learn. We have vocabulary lists. There's over 10 vocabulary lists with the definitions of all the material that you would need to know for your life and health pre-licensing exam or your life exam. We have the vocabulary list for the health right there as well. There's an exam mastery video pack. I just skipped through that, but there's over 100 videos in the video pack. There's study guides, which is like Cliff Note and review note versions of all the material that you need to know to pass your exam. We have the same thing for health. We have over 10 quizzes. There's going to be 20 quizzes pretty soon. So by the time this video goes out, there's probably going to be another pack of advanced quizzes because some states tests are a little easier, a little more simple, and some states are really challenging. So we are going to put the advanced quizzes on there because if you can do well on those advanced quizzes, you're going to crush this exam on the simple ones if you live in a state where it's a little easier. So there's going to be advanced quiz packs as well. Those will be in there by the time this video is released. We have exam mastery quizzes for health insurance as well, presentations for health insurance, and then here I have courses for every single state. So right here it says North Carolina, but that's just because I logged into the North Carolina course to show you how it's laid out. But there are quizzes specific for your state's laws. There are final exams structured specifically after your state and the state's outline, so it has the right combination of general content and state-specific questions. And then there are presentations and vocabulary words on your state-specific material that will help teach you exactly what you need to pass and learn your state laws and the different provisions and regulations needed for your state. So all you need to do to get access to this course is click the link in the description of the video. I'm telling you, I don't care what course you're out there studying. I don't care which one you got already. This one I guarantee you that you will pass on your first try. So Click the link in the description of the video to get access to this course. Your life insurance license is the only thing standing between you and a $100,000, $200,000, $300,000, $400,000 income, maybe even millions of dollars. I have the privilege of having earned over $1 million a year in the insurance industry, and without my insurance license, without passing this test, it never would have happened. This material came easy to me only because I learned how to study. So what I did is I broke down this material in a way that teaches you how to study. I break it down in a very simple way. If you found any value in the videos that I've provided, you've seen how I can break things down and help you understand them. I do this in the entire course. I'm super, super, super excited about this. So if you want a guarantee to pass your insurance exam, your insurance exam on the first try, click the link in the description of the video. Don't pass this up. And if there's any questions, you have any questions at all about this, just let me know. When you click the link, there's going to be a form. It'll explain how you can enroll and get started. And then after you enroll and take care of whatever else is required on that page, then it will allow you to pick your state. And then once you pick your state, you'll be enrolled in all the base content, which is everything from here down. And then you'll be also enrolled in the exam, the state-specific material, and also the advanced study questions as well. So super, super excited. Thank you so much. And I am looking forward to helping you pass your insurance exam on the first try. And this course will also give you access to coaching calls whenever they're available. You'll get notifications of those when we host them, and we host several every month. So in study calls. So I'm looking forward to helping you guys do that. Thank you so much.